Hello everyone, welcome to all my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to show you my earning proof of Adobe Stocks. So I'm working in Adobe Stock from 2020. Okay, so I don't have a huge portfolio on my Adobe Stock account, but still it is giving me earning. Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you my earning proof for the motivation of my viewers. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to in this website contributor.stock.adobe.com. Then after that, I'm just clicking in the my statistic, in the inside. Okay, after that I'm just going to click in the my statistics. Okay, then after that I'm just going to choose the month of March from here. Okay, so I'm just going to click here. So I think I have to choose. Okay, I'm just going to choose the March month from 1 to 31. Okay, then clicking in the display statistics. Okay, so now we can see here it is giving me the report, and I think I'm just going to click in the downloads. Okay, so now we can see here I have total 8 downloads in the month of March in Adobe Stocks, and I am going to check my total earning. So I'm just clicking here and I'm just clicking in the earning. Okay, so now we can see I have total $5.56 total earning in Adobe Stock in the month of March. Okay, so hoping that you get few motivation, and if you want to also help me by signing up in Adobe Stock, then you can check my video description and you can get the link in the video description, and you can sign up from my referral link in different stock agencies. Thank you so much.